AC installation near me. U101, air conditioner installation near me. Aircon installation near me. Here's a list of some of the best AC installation services near you, saying in California. 1. Next Gen Air and Plumbing Services, AC and heater installs and repairs, thermostat installs, insulation, and plumbing services. Known for quick and convenient service, community involvement, and customer satisfaction. 2. Brody Pennell Heating and Air Conditioning Services, maintenance, furnace installation, duct cleaning, emergency services, AC installation, and more. Location, 8599 Venice Boulevard, Los Angeles, California, 90034. Phone, 310-896-4911. Rating, 5.0/5 on Google Reviews. 3. Around the Clock Heating and Air Conditioning, Inc. Services, AC installation, emergency services, AC repair, filtration, maintenance, and more. Location, 1123 Lillian Way, Los Angeles, California, 90038. Phone, 310-274-5525. Rating, 4.8/5 on Google Reviews. 4. American AC Heat Plumbing Services, indoor air quality, maintenance, filtration, AC repair, furnace installation, and more. Location, 34 Northrop Avenue, Hawthorne, California, 90250. Phone, 800-321-9494, rating, 5.0/5 on Google Reviews. 5. A/C Control, Inc., Services, Maintenance, Ventilation, AC Repair, Furnace Installation, Indoor Air Quality, and more. Location, 2355 Westwood Boulevard, number 145, Los Angeles, California, 90064. Phone, 310-909-4814. Rating, 4.9/5 on Google Reviews. Please note that ratings can change over time, so it's a good idea to check the most recent reviews and contact the companies directly for the latest information and to confirm their services. Remember to ask about their experience with your specific AC model and any deals or warranties they offer.